I like turtles. Love you, Travis. All right, guys, we're back with 10 boxes of Mosaic Baseball Choice. So here we go, guys. So let's read some names. Break 397. William T. with the Diamondbacks, Braves, Mallory. Todd with the Orioles, Red Sox, William T. Sam P. Cubs, White Sox, William J. Michael P. Reds, William J. Guardians, Rockies, William T. Tyler's got the Detroit Tigers. Stefan Astros, Brandt with the Royals. Brandon Angels, Matt with the Dodgers, Tyler with the Marlins and the Brewers, William Twins, Travis with the Yankees, Tyler with the Mets, Todd at A's, Stefan Phillies, Todd Pirates, Travis Padres, Tyler Giants, Derek or Darek with the Mariners, Tom P with the Cardinals, Brandt with the Rays, Tyler with the Rangers, Ryan with the Blue Jays, and Darek with the Nationals. Congratulations for everybody who won their teams. Thank you so much for picking Wax Zone for your breaking needs, where we embrace the chase and try to pull a smile on your face. Here we go. 10 boxes, guys. 8 cards per box. Let's see what we got. Good luck, everyone. Oh, yeah. Let's see some Peacock. I like turtles. Good luck, everyone. Stephen Kwan, here's our silver rookie for Cleveland. A Mosaic, Francisco Lindor. And for Philadelphia, Matt Vierling to 88. Very nice auto. Beautiful. Matt, 47 of 88. Nice gold Mosaic. Matt Vierling on-card auto for Philly. Who's got Philly? Stefan. Very nice. Followed by nice Joe Ryan for Minnesota. William, red Mosaic, rookie autographs. The Reds are not numbered. Very cool. Then we got the Brandon Marsh, LA. These are what I guess they're, I don't know if they're tricolors or not, but Brandon Marsh, Bryce Harper.
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow. Red and yellow, red and yellow. Aaron Ashby, rookie Mosaic, and a Hunter Green Mosaic. All right. Man, these are nice. I know they're Panini, but they're nice.
Panini.
He said it's corn. I'd love to see a Nebula or a Peacock or whatever. Nick Lodolo, silver for Cincinnati. Robbie Ray, Mosaic. O'Neal Cruz, Mosaic. We got Bryson Stott from Philadelphia, Mosaic. And we got our Peacock, Danny Duffy. LA Dodgers. Peacock, Danny Duffy. Beautiful. Wow. You called it. There's your Peacock. Peacock. The red and yellow we have is Lewis Gill for the Yankees. And what do we got here? We got Robbie Ray, Mosaic. We have a Zach Thompson for Pittsburgh. Todd. Rookie autographs. This one is not numbered. There you go. Little Zach Thompson. And we have a Bobby Witt Jr. auto for KC. Brandt. Look at that. Bobby Witt Jr. auto. Kansas City. Nice hit. All right. Box 3. All right, let's go. Let's keep it up. We have a Max Fried, silver Go from the back here. We got Brandon Marsh, Mosaic. Got this lay down today. Josiah Gray, rookie, Mosaic. And we have a Matt Lowe. We got the red and yellow Chaz McCormick, rookie. The red and yellow Rafael Devers for Boston. Matt Lowe is hiding. Greg Deichmann for Chicago Cubs. There you go. There you go, Greg Deichmann, Cubbies. And the second auto is Angel Zerpa. And that's going to be the 88, 73 to 88. He called it corn, but it's gold. And that's for Kansas City again. Congrats, KC. Angel Zerpa, rookie, autographed. I assume it's gold. Nate Lowe. All right. That's just sharp, man. Kind of weird when it was only 8 cards.
Over from 45.
Right. Anthony Rendon, silver. We got a Steve Kwan, rookie for Cleveland. Mosaic. A Brian De La Cruz, rookie, Mosaic for Miami. Here you go, Tyler. A red and yellow Edward Cabrera for Miami. Again, Tyler, rookie. Working on it. I'm working on it, Tyler. Alex Bregman for Houston. For Stefan. And our back auto is O'Neal Cruz. Another nice auto for Pittsburgh. Todd. Pittsburgh. O'Neal Cruz auto. Mosaic. And we have out of 88, Peyton Henry. Once again, gold for Miami. There you go. There you go, Tyler. You got yourself a Peyton Henry rookie catcher, Miami. 88. 12 of 88. And Jose Barrios. Well, you know, you can't really have the game without a catcher. You probably get away without like a second baseman. You got the shortstop, right? But I don't think you can get away without a catcher. That's all I'm saying.
He said that's all I'm saying. Love it.
Pitcher, catcher, kind of kind of a necessary part of the game. Oh, the variation? Oh, I'll have to review that. Karloff, silver. I did not know that. You didn't know either. Didn't tell me. Didn't tell me there was. All right, we got Connor Siebold, rookie. Variation. The V stands for. Mosaic. A Reese Nair for San Diego. Rookie. Also variation. Mosaic. San Diego. A what? 1 of 8. Eli for Cleveland. William. That's a black and gold, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black and yellow Eli Morgan rookie for Cleveland. 1 of 8. Nice hit, Cleveland. Black and yellow, black and yellow. And a Jarren Duran. Red and yellow. Mosaic for Boston. We have another Greg Deichmann for Chicago Cubs. That's 2 Greg Deichmanns. Deichmann. And Connor Wong to 88. Yellow Mosaic. Let's call it yellow Mosaic. How about that? Connor Wong. And that's going to be for Boston. William T. Boston. Connor Wong. To 88. Then we have a Josiah Gray Mosaic. Halfway there, guys.
Fusion red and yellow.
Fusion red and yellow?
Yep.
There's really no red on there, but okay.
We're calling.
I'll call it whatever you say, Poppy.
Call me Poppy.
All right, PP long stocking, whatever you want me to call you. Thomas Shaputsky, silver. He's laughing at Coach. Jose Siri, Mosaic variation for Houston. Glenn Otto for Texas. Tyler, variation of Glenn Otto. A red and yellow. Trevor. No, it's a black and yellow again. I guess the red is from the Boston. Another black and yellow. 1 of 8. There you go. Trevor Story, shortstop for Boston. Black and yellow. Boston's on fire. William T. Congratulations. Poppy arc. Love it. There's the red and yellow of Wander Franco. There you go. Wander Franco for Tampa Bay. Mosaic. First auto is Jake Berger for the Chicago White Sox. For William J. Second auto is of Thomas Shaputsky for the New York Mets. Tyler. Tomasz Shaputsky auto. There you go. And an Adam Frazier mosaic. Did I go down a little bit on that one?
Good. Definitely give it the right
amount of emphasis on the right syllable.
Yep. Hold. Direction.
Is he Polish? Well, he may or may not be, but his last name sure as hell is.
Yep.
Ryan Mountcastle for Baltimore. Silver. A Thomas Shaputsky again, variation, mosaic, rookie. A Ryan Velade for Colorado, variation, mosaic. A red and yellow Tim Anderson for the White Sox. A red and yellow Luke Williams for Miami for Tyler, rookie. A Drew Ellis auto for Arizona Diamondbacks, William T. Rookie auto. And a Trevor Story auto for Boston. Boston having a night. And a nice throwback 90 star Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt mosaic. Like falling down. I'm like, what the hell's happening? I'm like sliding every single pack. I'm going lower and lower. All right, Albert Pujols, silver, 2,000 stars. A Aaron Ashby from Milwaukee. That's a variation mosaic. A Matt Brash for Seattle. Rookie mosaic variation. A red and yellow Logan Webb for San Francisco. Tyler. Red and yellow 90 star Ken Griffey Jr. for Seattle. Dark. First auto is Brandon Marsh. There you go for the A's. Angels. Los Angeles Angels. Brandon Marsh. Brandon Marsh. Holy shit. Brandon M. Maybe Brandon Marsh got into his own break. And, whoa, God.
You're good.
Not that it matters. It's 150 points. Wow. Wow.
Ring the bell.
That's insane. Frickin' Panini. Ugh. Jane Bieber Mosaic. That's ridiculous. That's the in a choice box? 150 points? Are you kidding me? That's insane. Should have been like 1,500 points at a minimum.
Roll.
Duran Silver. Why? Hans Kraus for Philadelphia. Mosaic rookie variation. Yeah, no kidding. C.J. Abrams for San Diego Padres. Rookie Mosaic variation. A red and yellow Brandon Woodruff for Milwaukee Mosaic. A red and yellow Reese Hoskins for Philadelphia Mosaic exclusive. Our first auto is Reese Nair for San Diego. Rookie auto Reese Nair. That's Travis. There you go, Travis. You got a Reese Nair. And a Zach Lothar rookie autograph for Baltimore. And Josh Donaldson Mosaic. Final box, guys. Second half of this tomorrow.
Next week.
Oh, next week? Never mind. Next week. Never mind. Don't listen to me.
Tomorrow is tomorrow for the Panini version of baseball is Donruss Optic
FOTL.
So I think there's
7 boxes tonight. Tomorrow.
I think
There's only 14 in the
there's
case.
Downtowns in there.
Yeah,
Or
there's
maybe
some nice stuff in there.
I don't know. I can't remember.
Trevor Story Silver. Shane Boss for Tampa Bay, variation rookie Mosaic. Mike Bauman for Baltimore, variation rookie Mosaic. A yellow red Mosaic for Toronto, Manoah. I already hit one of 50 and I need you to as well, Martin. Give me a patch out of that. Gavin Sheets. Rookie, red and yellow for Chicago White Sox. Our first auto is Patrick Mazeika for the Mets, New York Mets. There you go, Tyler. You got another catcher. That's hilarious. Patrick Mazeika. And Alexander Wells for Baltimore, rookie auto. Alejo Lopez is them. All right, let's recap some of the autos. We have Patrick Mazeika, Zach Lothar, Reese Nair, Brandon Marsh, Trevor Story, Drew Ellis, Thomas Shaputsky, Jake Berger, Greg Diekman, Connor Wong to 88, Peyton Henry to 88, O'Neal Cruz, Angel Zerpa to 88, Greg Diekman, Bobby Witt Jr., nice auto, Zach Thompson, Joe Ryan, Matt Vierling to 88, Alexander Wells. We had 2 black and yellows, Trevor Story, 1 of 8, and Eli Morgan for Cleveland, 1 of 8. Both were 1 of 8. So, and then we're going to have to randomize these wonderful 150 points. So stay with us 1 second while he gets the stuff ready.
All right, you guys. All teams in. We're gonna roll 2 dice. Top team will get the 150. So we're gonna go 3, 1, 4 times. All teams in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Top team will get it 4 times. Philadelphia Phillies.
The Phillies, which is Stefan.
Forgot Stefan.
Don't spend it all in one place, man. Phillies? There you go. We'll be right back with break number 398.